Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I'm going to be making these sumptuous pancakes, and yes, I left my plantain to be very ripe before using it. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I use, all the ingredients that I use for these pancakes, but please stay tuned to the end so that you can see what I did and what I use. Okay. So guys, my pancake is almost ready. Ta-da! Look at the way the face looks. Just take a look at it. It looks so sweet, so fine. Yeah, look at it. So I made it not too strong. I like it soft and kind of fluffy also. So here is my wahala. This is where the problem is. So I have this frying pan that I bought recently, but the problem is it sticks a lot. It burns my food a lot. So I tried to use it to make the first as in the first time I bought it, it wasn't really sticky, but it has stayed for some while now, and it has started burning so fast and sticky a lot. So I tried to use it to make the first one to see if it's going to be fine with it. It wasn't answering. Yes, I tried to use it to make the first one. It was really difficult for me. It was sticky and burning even when I used the lowest heat. Yeah, so after frying the first one, I'm going to show you the way the back look. I'm going to show you the way the under looks. I'm going to turn it and then you will see that it was really stressing me. So when I look at the way it was stressing me, I thought of this idea and I decided to try it, and it works really fine. Like, beauty with brain, you know. So this is the back side. You can see that it's gummed. It was gumming a lot. It was as in sticky to the frying pan that I could not turn it. It was very difficult, and when I tried to turn it, it breaks. And then it will just scatter my pancake. So I decided to, try the second one if it will work. And same thing happened, and I decided, okay, why not try this option and see how it's going to come out. And it was really, really beautiful. So I would advise you to stay and see that, that's my beautiful idea, and try it. You will love it. Okay, So guys, pancake is almost ready. Pancake is almost ready. Pancake is almost ready. Yeah. So this is the second one. This is how it looks. I was trying to turn it here and it wasn't answering. Can you imagine? After all that hard work, and then you put pancakes in the frying pan and it will just stick to your frying pan, and then you won't be able to lift it or flip it. So this is the idea. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 dun. So here is, that's my beautiful idea, guys, and it really came out perfectly. I was loving the pancake. I was even like, God, why didn't I thought of this earlier, and actually, my husband was like, it will not work. We use this baking paper to do pancake. And after I was done with it, I was like, baby, come and see. Oh, hey, what God cannot do does not exist. Come and see it. My village people was following me. When you're trying to do something and the thing is not answering, you know how the feeling is now. So, guys, here is my pancake. You see the color? You see the way it looks? Looking so delicious, guys. So sumptuous. Look. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Help me to share my video, and thank you. God bless you.